Welcome to the Melting Pot, a uniquely fun dining experience that brings friends and family closer over bubbling pots of delicious fondue. Whether you want to join a few coworkers after a long day for happy hour specials, or you want to take your special someone on a date they'll never forget, the Melting Pot has all the ingredients to a wonderful evening, including a relaxed atmosphere, private tables for romantic dining, fine wines and cocktails, gourmet fondue, and warm attentive service. Sip one of the craft beers, handcrafted cocktails, or award-winning wines while enjoying a food experience that's as refined as it is different, and you'll see why the Melting Pot has earned distinctions from Open Table and Wine Enthusiast. Kids especially love the Melting Pot. Creating delicious fondue experiences brings the family together. Everything at the Melting Pot is over-the-top delicious. From their appetizers to the amazing chocolate fondue desserts, you'll wish you could spend every night enjoying this experience. They have numerous locations, so visit them online at meltingpot.com to find one near you and take a look at their amazing menu choices. There's something for everyone, and the Melting Pot makes the perfect venue for that special fun party.